teachers of the pre-primary as well as the primary section, please share the link on your class official WhatsApp group. I repeat, it is a request to all the pre-primary and primary section class teachers to share the link on your official class WhatsApp group. Thank you. Namaskar, Suswagatam and a very good evening to one and all. Honorable Chief Guest of today's function, Madam, Office Bearers of Pune Vidyarthi Graha, dignitaries on and off the dais, members of the staff, parents, donors, invitees, well-wishers and my dear students. On behalf of Muktangan English School and Junior College, I extend a very warm welcome to you all this evening for the prize distribution ceremony and the annual social gathering of the primary section for the academic year 2025-26. In Muktangan, it is all about fostering an environment where students can grow, learn, respect their peers, teachers and the community. They imbibe the qualities of hard work, open-mindedness, kindness, empathy, curiosity, inclusivity, diversity, creative thinking, support and teamwork. We are blessed with rich and traditional values which are woven into the framework of our esteemed culture. In keeping with this cultural legacy, we begin today's function with the melodious song Humko Man Ki Shakti Dena, and we are proud of our school rendered by the students of the primary section. They are taught and guided by our music teacher, Ms. Vaishnavi Wankhade, with Master Vedant Shinde on tabla, Master Arnav Zadhav on khanjiri, and Ms. Vaishnavi Wankhade herself on the synthesizer. Dear students, all your practice sessions have really paid off. Thank you for the melodious musical performance. It has created a magical atmosphere in the auditorium. Every year, the annual social gathering is held, providing a lot of opportunities for the development of the students' inborn talents and abilities. These tiny opportunities help them to boost their confidence and overcome the stage fear. This occasion is truly special as it allows us to appreciate the imagination, commitment and hard work of the pupils. Our students pursue excellence under the able guidance of their teachers and educators. And now that we have offered our prayers to invoke the blessings of the Almighty, let's move ahead with today's function. We are proud to call upon Ms. Stuti Teli, the student representative of the primary section, to welcome the gathering.
Good evening, everyone. Our school is a place to learn and grow, where ideas bloom and knowledge flows. With caring hearts and guiding hands, our teachers help us understand. We read and write, we think and try. We ask our questions and reach high. Through games and lessons every day, we learn the right and honest way. With friends besides us, joy is shared. In every task, we learn to care. Our school prepares us to succeed with values strong and minds that lead. Good evening, everyone. Honorable Chief Guest of today's function, Ms. Surbhi Hande, distinguished office bearers of Pune Vidyarthi Graha, respected Principal of the Pre-Primary and Primary Section, Mrs. Rekha Bali Madam, Principal of the Secondary Section and Higher Secondary Section, Mrs. Supriya Desh Kulkarni Madam, Supervisors, Teachers Representative, Parents, Invitees, Teachers and my dear friends. On behalf of all the students, I, Ms. Stuti Teli, the Student Representative and the General Secretary of the Primary Section, would like to welcome you all for the annual social gathering for the academic year 2025-26. Our school organizes various competitions like English elocution, drawing, handwriting and sports to encourage the students. Our school focuses not only on studies but on other activities. So from this year, the school has started many activities like basketball, taekwondo, malakham, archery, skating, etc. The annual social gathering is a platform to show our talents. We all look forward to this event, which gives us an opportunity to showcase the hidden talents of the students under the expertise of the teachers. The annual social gathering is a platform to showcase our talents. It's a joyous occasion for each one of us. I hope you all enjoy and appreciate the performance of our students as much as we did it. Putting up for you. Thank you.
Thank you, Stuti, for the wonderful welcome. Very well spoken, dear. I now invite our principal of the pre-primary and primary section, Mrs. Rekha Bali Madam, to welcome you all and give a brief information on our parent institution, Pune Vidyarthi Graha, and important activities of this academic year. Please, Madam.
Good evening, everyone. Honorable Chief Guest of today's function, Ms. Surbhi Hande, a renowned Indian film and television actress, Vice Chairman of Pune Vidyarthi Graha, Shri S.M. Jirge, Treasurer of Pune Vidyarthi Graha, Shri Krishnaji Kulkarni Sir, Director of Pune Vidyarthi Graha and Muktangan English School and Junior College, Shri Anand Kulkarni Sir, Senior Directors of Pune Vidyarthi Graha, Shri Sunil Redekar Sir, Professor Dr. R.G. Kaduskar Sir, Ramesh Kulkarni Sir, Principal of Secondary and Higher Secondary Section, Mrs. Supriya Desh Kulkarni, In charge of pre-primary section, Mrs. Jaya Shetty. Supervisors of pre-primary and primary section, Mrs. Shri Nakolawala and Mrs. Komal Kulkarni. Student representative of the primary section, Ms. Stuti Teli. All the dignitaries on and off the dais, parents, donors, invitees, well-wishers, teachers, and my dear students. As the principal of this esteemed institution, I stand before you all with great joy and honor to celebrate the remarkable achievements of our students of the primary section and standard 5 and 6, and welcome you all for the annual social gathering and prize distribution function today. Through the steadfast power of hard work and unwavering dedication, our school has ascended to new impressive zenith of achievement, successfully establishing a new benchmark of holistic educational achievement. Our students have constantly demonstrated remarkable progress, reflecting not only in academic success, but there is a profound positive transformation in their overall development and confidence. The scale is significant and our collective achievements have surpassed all expectations, filling our community with an unrivaled sense of success and honor. Today, we have gathered here formally to recognize and celebrate the extraordinary achievements of our students whose talents and efforts have brought such a distinction to our school. On such a momentous occasion, it is a matter of great pride to have Ms. Surabhi Hande as a chief guest, who is a distinguished Indian film and television actress, primarily celebrated for her significant contributions to Marathi entertainment industry. She rose to immense fame with the iconic portrayal of Mahasa Devi in the popular Zee Marathi mythological series Jai Malla. Her career began in theatre with the play Swami at the age of 16, and she has delivered notable performances in projects like Agabai Arecha 2, Lakshmi Sadai Mangalam. Beyond her teaching, she is a trained Kathak dancer and a Visharad in classical singing, and has also contributed her voice to All India Radio Sugam Sangeet, and holds a degree in psychology, which brings a unique depth to her craft. She continues to inspire with her grace and commitment. We are truly honored to have such a versatile personality grace our event today. Let us give a big round of applause to our distinguished chief guest, Ms. Surabhi Hande. Madam, we are truly honored and grateful that you have accepted our invitation to join as a chief guest today evening. We are humbled by your presence on this remarkable occasion. Welcome, Madam. It's my privilege to share a brief information about our parent institution, Pune Vidyarthi Graha, which was established on 12th May 1909 and has now completed 116 glorious years. Pune Vidyarthi Graha has its head office located at Sadashivpet, Pune. It has 5 branches located at Nasik, Mumbai, Talegaon, Masrool, Nerul, and has 65 units in all. All the branches of Pune Vidyarthi Graha are completely dedicated in motivating the students to enhance their performance in all aspects. Pune Vidyarthi Graha provides a balanced education, integrating the richness of our roots culture with essential of modern academics. Our goal is to forge students who are both culturally grounded and globally competitive. Pune Vidyarthi Graha is governed by a dynamic and dedicated council members who form the backbone of our organization. Pune Vidyarthi Graha continues to evolve, adapt and thrive under the council members, Chairman Shri Rajendra Borade, Vice Chairman Shri S.M. Jirge and Shri Amol Joshi, Secretary Shri Sanjay Gunjar, Treasurer Shri Krishnaji Kulkarni, Registrar Shri Dinesh Misal. We extend our sincere appreciation to the Pune Vidyarthi Graha's outstanding management team for their dedication and vision. Their structured, supportive and safe learning environment is evident in every aspect of school's operation. This strong foundation allows both students and staff to thrive, ensuring that the focus squarely remains on academic and holistic growth of the students. The management team is truly extraordinary, operating with strategic precision that turns vision into immediate reality. They have successfully engineered a culture of sustained excellence where high standards are not just met but consistently surpassed. Their leadership is a master key unlocking the full potential of every student and staff member. We are profoundly grateful for this exceptional guidance that makes our school a beacon of excellence. To all our distinguished directors, we cherish your presence and a very warm welcome to you for the annual social gathering. Let's give a big round of applause to our board of directors. They are actually pillars of strength and the backbone to the institution. A very warm welcome to. It's a distinct pleasure to offer a very warm welcome to the parents too, who are attending the annual gathering in large number. We value your trust you place in us and recognize the incredible support and faith extended by you. A very warm welcome to all the parents, to everyone who is joining us via the live stream today. I extend a very warm welcome to you for being an integral part of today's program. To our large community of invaluable donors, we offer our sincere gratitude. Your collective support makes our achievements possible. We thank each one of you to lend a supporting hand in all our endeavors. We cherish your cooperation and warmly welcome you today. We would also like to extend a heartfelt appreciation to our teaching and non-teaching staff. Their role is instrumental in the smooth functioning of the school. A special thanks and welcome to our teaching and non-teaching staff too. We are thrilled to announce that as always, our students of Standard 10th and 12th have made the school proud with the outstanding results. The SSC result for the academic year 24-25 was 100% and the HSC result was 99.14%. Heartiest congratulations to our students, teachers, parents and the entire staff of Muktangan for this remarkable achievement. Along with the intellectual development, we also emphasize on spiritual growth. We have incorporated practices such as meditation, reflective thinking to help the students to develop inner strength needed to overcome life's obstacles. We also provide our students with a wide range of extracurricular activities like music, drama, which gives them a platform for self-expression and creativity. From celebrating traditional festivals like Holi, Makar Sankrant, Gopal Gala, Diwali, Guru Purnima, Ashadi Ekadashi and Rakhi, we strive to keep our cultural roots alive. The management's esteemed guests to share their insight, experiences and expertise with our students. This inspirational exchange fosters a love for learning, ignites curiosity and creativity, and equips the students for their future success. Group Captain Anand Beur and Mrs. Vinita Beur were invited as chief guests for the Independence Day function, which was celebrated with vibrant performances, heartfelt speeches, fluttering tricolor, filling the entire atmosphere with pride and patriotism. The management's keen initiative to arrange a series of seminars for the teaching staff by Mr. Nitin Ahir, a renowned motivational speaker and an educational expert, is a great step towards the faculty development and growth. This has upgraded the teaching skills and has brought in fresh perspective to the classroom, empowering our teachers with the latest strategies to boost students' engagement and learning outcomes. We have a spacious playground and we provide our students with a wide range of extracurricular and sports activities. We have taken the initiative to start sports in the school under the guidance of specialized national level coaches. For example, archery, taekwondo, skating, boxing, kabaddi, Malkhamb and chess, which builds confidence in our students and prepares them for competitive tournaments. Our students have excelled in state and national events. We had organized inter-academy chess competition and the chief guest for the function was Mr. Chandrakant Dongre, a veteran chess player with more than 40 years of experience in the game. Every Saturday and Sunday, we are transforming our campus into an innovation hub dedicated for specialized skill and development. The smart phonetic classes simplify reading skills by teaching the students to link symbols with a specific sound, giving students confidence to read new words independently and fluently. The remedial teaching classes help to bridge gap by enforcing the foundational knowledge that boosts the confidence of our students. The robotics and the AI, especially designed to spark curiosity, fuel the imagination and build essential skills needed for the 21st century. We have the Abacus Vedic Maths classes which help in improving our students' mental calculation and concentration. From the rhythmic pulse of tabla and the soulful strains of classical music and harmonium to the disciplined elegance of Bharatnatyam and simultaneously offering contemporary exploration through versatile synthesizer and Bollywood dance classes, we ensure that the natural talents of our students beautifully blossom into life skills and joy. We are incredibly proud to inform you that our school won the Inter-School Athletics Overall General Championship for the year 24-25 organized by the Maharashtra Mandal. A big round of applause for our champions who have made the school and their parents proud. Our annual sports day was a blast and the energetic demonstration by the students left everyone mesmerized. The chief guest for the function was Subedar Jai Singh Patil, Indian boxing team coach from Army Sports Institute, who motivated everyone by his speech. From the finish to the end, the spirit and the determination of our champions truly brought the field to life. It was a breathtaking, spectacular event, and the spirit of that will not be forgotten by everyone soon. Under the Bhasha Academy, we have introduced foreign languages for the students of primary section like the German and French, which help them in preparing and being confident and competitive world citizens. The school exhibition titled 2025 was yet another benchmark of success and made it highly educational event. The chief guest for the function was Dr. Arvind Nathu, Chairman, Board of Governors, ISER. It was a truly amazing event and nearly 1200 students participated and they were given the certificate of participation to boost their morale. Such events provide a crucial platform for the students to present their work, boosting their communication skill, self-confidence. A resounding applause for a powerful collaboration of parents, teachers and students whose combined efforts propelled the exhibition to an extraordinary success. The Petopia, a fun-filled educational program, mainly focusing on the well-being of pet animals, was a real showstopper. Especially with the stunning macaws, lovely birds, rabbits and iguana stole everyone's heart, was yet another unforgettable experience for the students and the teachers, which left everyone mesmerized. The stargazing activity conducted by the school was out of the world. As the students looked through those massive telescopes, the universe suddenly felt within their reach and the smile on the students' faces was priceless. Such events of grand scale are possible only with the support of strong management, dedicated teaching and non-teaching staff, supportive parents and enthusiastic students. So come on parents, we've done so much this year. Let us give a big round of applause for everyone today. Harnessing the power of comprehensive curriculum paired with a vibrant spectrum of enriching activities, we haven't just advanced, we have successfully driven the entire institution to the pinnacle of success, establishing a new legacy of achievement, naturally making our school the preferred destination for the parents committed to their child's optimal growth. Let us once again be mesmerized by the incredible talents of our students and teachers as they showcase their hard work and dedication. Today, the highlight of the evening is the prize distribution program, where it's time to honor our students who have remarkable talent and enthusiasm in their academic and curricular activities. It is a moment of pride for these young achievers, and we are delighted to celebrate their success and watch their delightful performances meticulously choreographed by our talented teachers and presented by the primary section and standard 5 and 6 students. Let's give them a warm welcome and appreciation. Let us carry the spirit of annual gathering with us throughout the year and remember that together we can achieve anything that we set in our minds, and may the memories of today inspire us to achieve greater.
Thank you, madam. I request our supervisor of the pre-primary and primary section, Mrs. Shirin Akolawala madam, to introduce today's guest of honor. Please, ma'am.
Good evening, respected dignitaries, honored guests, teachers, parents, and my dear students. It is said that true talent shines brightest when passion meets dedication. It gives me immense pleasure and pride to introduce a personality whose journey beautifully reflects talent, dedication, and perseverance. An artist who has carved a special place in the hearts of the audiences through her remarkable performances and inspiring presence. Our esteemed chief guest for today's annual social gathering is Ms. Surabhi Hande, a renowned actress of the Marathi television and film industry. With a strong foundation in theatre and a deep-rooted passion for the performing arts, she began her journey at a young age of 16 in the play Swami. She has also worked with the All India Radio, where she showcased her musical talents. Madam steadily rose to prominence through hard work, patience, and commitment. Her fame spread far and wide with her powerful and unforgettable portrayal of Mahasa Devi in the immensely popular mythological serial Jai Malhar. This iconic role showcased her acting brilliance and earned her immense admiration for bringing strength, grace, and devotion to the character. Her performance set a benchmark in Marathi television and continues to inspire many aspiring artists. She also performed in the TV series Ambat God and Lakshmi Sadaiva Mangalam. Apart from television, she has also made her mark in the Marathi cinema. Her debut in Agabai Arecha 2 was impressive. She also featured in the web series Bhutat Leela and the travel series Goan Vata, proving her versatility across different genres. Every role she portrays reflects sincerity, emotional depth, and artistic excellence. Her journey sends out a powerful message to all our students that dreams do come true when one believes in oneself, works with discipline, and never gives up despite challenges. Talent blossoms when it is nurtured with hard work and perseverance. Beyond her professional achievements, Ms. Surabhi Hande is admired for her humility, simplicity, and dedication to her art. She maintains a keen interest in traveling, exploring new places, and listening to music. She truly stands as a role model for young minds, motivating them to follow their passions with confidence and courage. We are indeed honored to have such an accomplished and inspiring personality grace our annual day celebration tonight. Her presence adds great value and joy to this special occasion. May I now request everyone to give a warm round of applause as we warmly welcome Ms. Surabhi Hande.
Thank you, Madam. It is indeed both our honor and privilege to have such an esteemed personality presiding over today's function. As a token of our respect and gratitude, I request the Vice Chairman of Pune Vidyarthi Graha, Shri S.M. Jirge Sir, to felicitate our chief guest of today's function, Ms. Surabhi Hande, Madam. Please, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Rise, awake, and do not stop till the goal is achieved. Our students begin their journey with the same ideology. What makes a child gifted and talented may not always be good grades, but a different way of looking at this fantastic world and learning. Education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. The best way to predict the future is to create it, learn, innovate, and lead. Appreciation in the form of prizes and certificates not only encourages our students to inculcate a competitive spirit, but also inspires one to excel in their work and constantly shine to do better. Every step, though small, is a stepping stone to reach the greater heights of glory and must be claimed and rewarded. Thanks to the generosity of our donors and well-wishers who are always there to bless and motivate our little ones. The annual prizes are declared to our meritorious students for excelling in academics, cultural and other co-curricular activities. May I now request our esteemed guest of today's function, Ms. Surbhi Hande Madam, to kindly honor the prize winners. Please, Madam. I also call upon Mrs. Shilpa Patil Madam to read the list of prize winners.
Our students at Muktangan, from the curious sparkle in class 1 reader to the confident stride of class 6, everyone has shown us what dedication, curiosity and sheer joy of learning looks like. Excellence is the hallmark of Muktangan, where we recognize and honor our talented achievers. To begin with the academic prizes for the year 2025-26, in Senior KG, the first prize goes to Master Sharvil Bable from Senior KG A. In Standard 1, the first prize goes to Miss Swara More from 1st C. In Standard 2, the first prize goes to Miss Sharanya Redekar from 2nd D. She also gets first prize in Marathi handwriting competition. Congratulations, Sharanya. Parents, encourage them with a big round of applause. In Standard 3, the first prize goes to Miss Aradhya Mande from 3rd C. Aradhya, be on the stage. She also gets first prize in Marathi handwriting competition. Aradhya also gets first prize in drawing competition. Congratulations, Aradhya. In Standard 4, the first prize goes to Miss Anvi Dharankar from 4th A. Anvi also gets first prize in Marathi handwriting competition. In Standard 5, the first prize goes to Miss Mukta Kulkarni. Mukta also gets first prize in Marathi elocution competition. Well done, children. Congratulations to all the academic prize winners. Keep striving for excellence. Huge round of applause to all our students. Now let us begin with the cultural prizes. The English handwriting competition. In Standard 1, the first prize goes to Miss Advita Dowry from 1st A. In Standard 2, the first prize goes to Miss Sanskriti Dhawan. In Standard 3, first prize goes to Master Kaivalya More. Standard 5. The first prize goes to Miss Samiksha Survase. In Standard 6, the first prize goes to Miss Arpita Karasgi. I think she is absent. Elocution is an elegant art of giving speech. The English elocution competition in Standard 1, the first prize goes to Miss Arohi Madesia. Arohi also gets first prize in English essay writing competition. Come on parents, cheer her. In Standard 2, the first prize goes to Miss Vedanti Kale. Vedanti also gets first prize in Marathi education competition. In Standard 3, the first prize goes to Master Dhruva Pathak from 3rd D. Dhruva also gets first prize in English essay writing competition. In Standard 4, the first prize goes to Miss Sarvangi Zadhav from 4th B. In Standard 5, the first prize goes to Master Abir Mohite. Abir also gets first prize in English essay writing competition. Well done, Abir. In Standard 6, the first prize goes to Miss Ishita Ingole from 6th B. Students, all your achievement inspire everyone around you. A big round of applause to all the prize winners. Now we'll move on to English essay writing competition. In Standard 2, the first prize goes to Master Shivansh Shinde from 2nd D. In Standard 4, the first prize goes to Miss Kavya Avari from 4th A. She also gets first prize in Marathi education competition. Well done, Kavya. In Standard 6, the first prize goes to Miss Agrani Jagtap from 6th B. Now we have Marathi handwriting competition. In Standard 1, the first prize goes to Miss Vibha Bhande. In Standard 2, the first prize goes to Master Vignesh Sawant from 2nd D. In Standard 6, the first prize goes to Miss Arya Mane. Now Marathi education competition. In Standard 1, the first prize goes to Miss Mukta Dere from 1st A. Yes, cheer parents to our little one Mukta. In Standard 3, the first prize goes to Master Arnav Zadav from 3rd B. In Standard 5, the prize is shared by Miss Pravisha Nalaude and Miss Anushri Kedari. Miss Anushri Kedari. In Standard 6, the first prize goes to Miss Arohi Mande from 6th C. Now Hindi handwriting competition. In standard 5, the first prize goes to Miss Manashri Pawar from 5th D. In standard 6, the first prize goes to Miss Aradhya Dalvi from 6th A. Very well done all of you. Keep shining. Your achievements make our school really proud. Congratulations to all the children. Parents, give them a big round of applause. Drawing is not just an art, it is a way to express, imagine and create. Drawing competition in standard 1, the first prize goes to Miss Rutvik Kaktikar. In standard 2, the first prize goes to Miss Sanvi Kure. Standard 3, the first prize goes to Miss Pavitra Budgaonkar. Standard 5, the first prize goes to Miss Arohi Borde. Standard 6, the first prize goes to Miss Mugdha Zadav from 6th B. I request everyone to encourage our students with a huge round of applause. Before we begin our donor prize, I would like to thank all the donors and well-wishers for their constant support and motivation for our institution. Donors prize, late Mrs. Shreya Sawant prize in memory of her father, late Shri Balakrishna Shitole, to the students securing highest marks in English. In standard 1, the prize is shared by Miss Pravisha Zadav and Master Vignesh Sawant. In standard 2, the prize is shared by Miss Rithanya Sinkar. She looks so beautiful in her Jhansi Ki Rani attire. Miss Shivani Yadav. And Master Dhruva Pathak. Dhruva also gets Mrs. Nehal Gaikwad prize in memory of her father, late Shri Suhas Padmakar Zadav, for standing first in English education competition in standard 3 in the year 25-26. Late Mrs. Shreya Sawant prize for getting highest marks in English in standard 3, the prize goes to Miss Aradhya Mande. Aradhya, be on stage. There is a long list of prizes waiting for you. Aradhya also gets Mrs. and Mr. Keni prize in memory of his father, late Shri Jairam Keni, for standing first in standard 3. She also gets Mrs. Shama Hardikar prize in memory of her father, late Shri Vinayak Risbud, for securing highest marks in EVS in standard 3. Aradhya also gets Apurva Daflapurkar prize in memory of her father, late Shri Prabhakar Sauthai, for good handwriting in Marathi in standard 4 in academic year 2025-26. Aradhya also gets Mrs. Meghana Kulkarni prize in memory of her father, late Shri Makaranda Dhamdere, to the creative student of the academic year. A fantastic achievement, Aradhya. She is a very smart girl with a cute smile. Heartiest congratulations. She deserves a big round of applause, parents. Late Mrs. Shreya Sawant prize for getting the highest marks in English in standard 3. The prize goes to Miss Manaswini Mahajan. Manaswini also gets Mrs. Lalita Mahajan prize in memory of her mother, late Srimati Kamal Sakre, for standing second in standard 2. Manaswini also gets Mrs. Manisha Naik prize for securing highest marks in mathematics in standard 3. Very well done, Manaswini. Late Mrs. Shreya Sawant prize for getting highest marks in English in standard 4. The prize goes to Master Saumitra Kulkarni. Saumitra also gets Mrs. Rajeshri Kakade prize in memory of her husband, late Shri Bharat Kakade, for securing highest marks in science in standard 4. Well done, Saumitra. Mrs. and Mr. Prakash Keni prize in memory of his father, late Shri Jairam Keni, to the students standing first in standard 1. The prize goes to Miss Swara More. In standard 2, the prize goes to Miss Sharanya Redekar. In standard 4, the prize goes to Miss Anvi Dharankar. Anvi also gets Mrs. Anjali Khanewale prize in memory of her sister Anita Joshi for standing first in standard 4. Shri S.S. Thatte prize in memory of late Srimati Mandakini Thatte for the student standing first in standard 5. The first prize goes to Miss Mukta Kulkarni. Mukta, be on stage. Mukta also gets Mrs. Rajeshri Kakade prize in memory of her husband, late Shri Bharat Kakade, for securing highest marks in maths in standard 5. Mukta also gets Mrs. Jayashree Kogse prize in memory of her mother, late Srimati Tara Krishnaji Devle, for standing first in Marathi education competition in standard 6 for the academic year 2025 and 26. Congratulations on your excellent performance, Mukta. Keep it up. May this success motivate you to achieve even more. Mrs. Rajeshri Kakade prize in memory of her husband, late Shri Bharat Kakade, for securing highest marks in mathematics in standard 4. The prize goes to Master Abir Mohite. Abir also gets Mrs. Manisha Naik prize in memory of her mother, late Srimati Sunita Bhave, for securing highest marks in mathematics in standard 4. Congratulations, Abir. Mrs. Rajeshri Kakade prize for securing highest marks in mathematics in standard 4. The prize goes to Master Sairaj Shinde. Sairaj also gets Mrs. Manisha Naik prize for securing highest marks in mathematics in standard 4. Mrs. Rajeshri Kakade prize in memory of her husband, late Shri Bharat Kakade, for securing highest marks in mathematics in standard 5. The prize goes to Miss Madhuri Jat. Mrs. K.K. Pujari prize in memory of her father, late Shri Pradeep Kulkarni, to the student standing second in senior KG. The prize goes to Miss Mukta Dere. Mukta also gets Mrs. Jayashree Kogse prize in memory of her mother-in-law, late Srimati Shakuntala Vishnu Kogse, to the student standing first in Marathi education competition in standard 1 in the academic year 2025-26. Mrs. K.K. Pujari prize to the student standing second in standard 1. The prize goes to Miss Riti Dave. Parents, I request you to encourage them with a huge round of applause. Mrs. Lalita Mahajan prize in memory of her mother, late Srimati Kamal Sakre, to the student standing second in standard 2. The prize goes to Miss Yuvika Rathod. Mrs. Shama Haldikar prize in memory of her mother, late Srimati Vinaya Vinayat Risbud, to the student standing second in standard 4. The prize goes to Miss Anushri Kedari. Anushri also gets Mrs. Jayashree Kogse prize in memory of her mother, late Srimati Tara Krishnaji Devle, to the student standing first in Marathi education competition in standard 5 in the academic year 2025-26. Well done, Anushri. Mrs. Meghana Kulkarni prize in memory of her father, late Shri Makaranda Dhamdere, to the creative student of this academic year 2025-26 in standard 1. The prize goes to Miss Shrisha Shinde. Miss Sanvi Kure. Mrs. Shama Hardikar Prize in memory of her father, late Shri Vinayak Risbud, for securing highest marks in EVS in Standard 3. The prize goes to Miss Gauravi Katode. Mr. Rajesh Pujari Prize in memory of his father, late Shri Mahadev Rakhu Pujari, to the student standing first in English elocution competition in this academic year in Standard 1. The prize goes to Miss Arohi Madesia. A huge round of applause, parents. Mrs. Shama Hardikar Prize in memory of her father-in-law, late Shri Panduranga Vishnu Hardikar, for standing first in English elocution competition in this academic year in Standard 2. The prize goes to Miss Vedanti Kale. Vedanti also gets Mrs. Jayashri Konse Prize for standing first in Marathi elocution competition in Standard 2 for the academic year 2025-26. Well done, Vedanti. Mrs. Nehal Gaikwad Prize in memory of her father, late Shri Suhas Padmakar Zadav, to the student standing first in English elocution competition in Standard 4. The prize goes to Miss Sarvangi Zadav. Mrs. Kogze Prize in memory of her mother, late Srimati Tara Krishnaji Devle, to the student standing first in Marathi elocution competition in this academic year in Standard 5. The prize goes to Miss Prisha Nalaude. In Standard 6, the prize goes to Miss Arohi Mande. Mrs. Sharmila Kelkar Prize in memory of her friend, late Mrs. Shreya Sawant, to the deserving student. The prize goes to Master Shivam Kolle. He created a Guinness World Record as the fastest 100-meter roller skater, clocking 20.22 seconds using only 2 wheels. Congratulations, Shivam, for your outstanding achievement. Your dedication and efforts have led to this success. Heartiest congratulations. Mrs. Shama Hardikar Prize in memory of her mother-in-law, late Srimati Rukmini Hardikar, to the student representative of primary section goes to Miss Stuti Teli. She is very well behaved and smart girl. Stuti, may your leadership shine and guide your friends to do their best. Heartiest congratulations, Stuti. Mrs. Shilpa Patil Prize in memory of her mother-in-law, late Srimati Rama Mahadevrao Patil, to the best girl student in Standard 1. The prize goes to Miss Rudra Shinde. Mr. Ravindra Patil Prize in memory of his father, late Shri Mahadevrao Patil, to the best girl student in Standard 2. The prize goes to Miss Ahilya Gorpade. Mrs. Ketki Pujari Prize in memory of her grandmother, late Srimati Taramati Kulkarni, to the best girl student Standard 3. The prize goes to Miss Swara Banjare. Swara also gets Mrs. Meghana Kulkarni Prize in memory of her father, late Shri Makaranda Damdere, to the creative student of Standard 3 for this academic year. Well done, Swara. Congratulations. Mr. and Mrs. Prakash Keni Prize to the best girl student from the primary section goes to Miss Kavya Avari. Kavya also gets Mrs. Jayashri Konse Prize in memory of her mother, late Srimati Tara Krishnaji Devle, to the student standing first in Marathi elocution competition in Standard 4 for the academic year 2025-26. A huge round of applause for all the prize winners. Mrs. Rekha Bali Prize in memory of her mother, Srimati Urmila Beg, to the best girl student from Standard 5. The prize goes to Miss Shriya Chavan. In Standard 6, the prize goes to Miss Agrani Jagtap. Agrani also gets Mrs. Rajashri Kakade prize in memory of her husband, late Shri Bharat Kakade, for securing highest marks in mathematics in standard 5. Congratulations. Mrs. Rekha Bali prize in memory of father, late Shri Daya Krishna Bey, to the best boy student from standard 1. The prize goes to Master Sharvil Bhagle. In standard 2, the prize goes to Master Alok Sonawde. In standard 3, the prize goes to Master Arnav Zadav. Arnav also gets Mrs. Jayashri Kogze prize in memory of her mother-in-law, late Srimati Shakuntala Vishnu Kogze, to the student standing first in Marathi education competition in academic year 2025-26. Mrs. and Mr. Prakash Keni prize and Mrs. Apurva Daplapurkar prize to the best boy student from primary section goes to Master Arnav Sapkar. Arnav is a very obedient student with always smiling face. Mrs. Vaishali Dabir prize to the best boy student from standard 5. The prize goes to Master Tanay Nimbalkar. Miss Sarika Datar prize in memory of her father, late Shri Dilip Vinayak Datar, to the best boy student from standard 6. The prize goes to Master Vihan Umbarkar. Mrs. Nehal Gaikwad prize in memory of her grandfather, late Shri Padmakar Zadav, to the all-round student of the primary section goes to Miss Charvi Hedke. Charvi also gets Mrs. Sukada Vaishampayan prize in memory of her father, Shri Avadut Vaishampayan, to the all-rounder student of the primary section. Congratulations, Charvi. Once again, I request all the parents to give them a final round of applause for all the winners. Heartiest congratulations to all the winners for their outstanding achievements. Thank you.
And now to the most awaited prize of this academic year for the best teacher of the primary section, and the three donors are Dr. A.M. Shahade prize in memory of his mother, late Srimati L.G. Shahade, Shri C.A. Gadgil prize in memory of Dr. A.V. Gadgil, and Mrs. and Mr. Keni prize in memory of late Shri Jairam Keni, to the best teacher of the primary section for the academic year 2025-26 goes to Mrs. Neha Rohit Khopkar. We welcome her on the stage. Please give her a big round of applause. Neha, please be there for a while. A friend gives you hope when life is low. A friend is a place when you have nowhere to go. A friend is honest, a friend is true. A friend is precious, a friend like you. Mrs. Neha Khopkar joined Muktangan English School in the year 2005 in the primary section. She has completed her BA in 1997 with specialization in history subject, teachers training course in 2005. Later, she did her BA in 2010, professional development program for elementary teachers in 2019, and TEFL certification from London College of Teachers, latest in 2021. We all witnessed the hard-working pharmacists, nurses, doctors, essential work officers during the pandemic. While Muktangan had its very own COVID warrior, Mrs. Neha Khopkar, who was available 24/7 for guiding all our diligent and tireless teachers. Many of us were new to this virtual way of teaching, where some like me were a total clean slate for this techno world. In times where people were scared to even greet their dear ones, Mrs. Khopkar wholeheartedly, readily allowed access to her house for some of us for the entire COVID period without any second thought, so that teachers in a suit could find their way towards smooth and hassle-free teaching sessions. She proved to be of great assistance, especially after the pandemic years. Her qualities of perseverance, patience, and dedication towards handling of various tasks like switching from offline to online classes and vice versa, managing difficulties skillfully, embodies the values of a devoted educator. We appreciate her smart way of handling different tasks that come her way with great responsibility and sincerity. May it be from any department of the school. Many committees have been smoothly functioning under her able guidance. A few to name are cleanliness, housekeeping, security, transport, computer, administrative issues, and latest is being the standard head for standard 1 and 2, and all this along with being a class teacher as well. Actually, you name the committee and Neha is always there to help everyone with no time constraints. She has a great capacity of teaching different subjects, which makes a positive impact on the students. A loving mother to a career-oriented and hard-working twins abroad, a caring wife to an extremely cooperative husband, and a dutiful daughter-in-law who shoulders all the familial responsibilities that come her way. Baking and cooking for everyone is her hobby. Neha shows resilience despite her health concerns and never shies away from any task that is assigned by Muktangan or for Muktangan. We thank you for the wonderful person you are, Mrs. Khopkar. नेहा 2 ओळी फक्त तुझ्यासाठी. सहकार्यांचा तुझ्या घरी फौज फाटा, सहकार्यांचा तुझ्या घरी फौज फाटा, मुक्तांगणात करी तू काम पटापटा. घरात तुझ्या सर्व आत्मनिर्भर, शाळेत मात्र काम उरकतीस तू भराभर. तू सवंगडी आम्हा सर्वांची, तू सवंगडी आम्हा सर्वांची, साथ कायम अशीच राहू दे. मुक्तांगणात जमलेली ही गट्टी मात्र सदैव सोबत राहू दे, सदैव सोबत राहू दे. थँक्यू सो मच. Thank you, madam, for patiently giving away the prizes to our students and honoring the teacher. Thank you, Mrs. Shilpa Patil, madam, for reading the list of prize winners. Heartiest congratulations to all the prize winners and my dear colleague. It was a moment of great glory for all our prize winners and their parents. Hence, they all deserve a big round of applause. We are extremely delighted and fortunate to have Ms. Surabhi Hande madam as our chief guest today. Your valuable presence, ma'am, has added charm to the function. May I now invite you to please address the audience. Please, madam.
हॅलो. अजून एक माईक आहे का? म्हणजे ऑडियन्सला पण देता येईल आपल्याला एक असा. ठीक आहे, वायर जाईल ना आपल्या इथपर्यंत. मग कोणाला बोलायचं आहे थोडे पुढे आले तर बोलू शकतील ना? आहे तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना माईक. हॅलो, नमस्कार. येळकोट येळकोट. वरती आणि मागे आवाजच नाहीये. येळकोट येळकोट. सदानंदाचा. वाव, खऱ्या अर्थाने मुक्त अंगणात बोलल्यासारखं वाटतंय ना? मस्त. सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं एक तर सगळ्या टीचर्स इतक्या गोड दिसत आहेत, इतक्या छान छान साड्या, इतक्या सुंदर दिसत आहेत सगळ्या टीचर्स. आणि मला असं वाटतं की शाळेत येणाऱ्या प्रत्येक मुलामुलींसाठी आपले टीचर्स हे सगळ्यात पहिलं आदर्श असतं. म्हणजे मुली टीचर्स डेला माझी ती टीचर ती साडी नेसून आली होती, आई मला त्याच रंगाची साडी हवी, असं होतं ना घरी? नाही नाही होत? आपण बोलायचं आहे, मी एकटी नाही बोलणार आहे. आपण असं होतं ना घरी? मी शाळेत असताना असंच करायचे, म्हणून मला असं वाटलं. खूप छान वाटतंय मला एकतर इथे बोलवल्याबद्दल. सर, थँक्यू सो मच मॅम. खरं तर असं शाळेच्या स्टेजवर उभं राहिल्यानंतर ना खरं खूप दडपण येतं, एकदम लहानपण आठवतं. आणि माझं मला गॅदरिंग वगैरे आठवलंय आज या सगळ्यांना बघून. महिनाभर आम्ही डान्सची प्रॅक्टिस, गाण्याची प्रॅक्टिस, नाटकाची, असं सगळं. आणि सगळे पिरियड्स करून, म्हणजे जसा तुमच्याकडे स्पोर्ट्ससाठी एक वेगळा वेळ ठेवला आहे असं मला कळलं आहे, आम्हाला नसायचा. आता हे चेंजेस खूप चांगले आहेत, छान झालं आहे हे खूप. असं वाटतं शाळेत आल्यावर परत एकदा शाळेत जावं. पण मी इथल्या सगळ्या विद्यार्थ्यांना, मला माहिती आहे बरेचसे मुलं आता मागेही असतील, सो एक सगळ्यात महत्त्वाची गोष्ट, आईबाबांनी त्यांना हे सतत सांगा की ते कितीही मोठे झाले ना तरी लहानपण विसरू नका. कारण आत्ता बऱ्याचदा असं होतं, मोठं झाल्यानंतर मला वाटतं इथे बऱ्याच आईबाबांनाही हे वाटत असेल की आपण कधीतरी अचानक लहान मुलांसारखं वागून जातो आणि आपल्याला एकदम स्ट्राईक होतो की नाही मी तर मोठी झाली आहे. पण ते नको व्हायला असं मला फ्रँकली वाटतं. आणि असे दिवस मोठं होऊनही सतत यावे, जसा आज माझ्या आयुष्यात हा दिवस आलाय. मी या शाळेची नाही आहे, पण मला या गॅदरिंगला येता आलं आणि मला बोलवलं त्यासाठी खूप 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 थँक्यू. सो मी एकटीच बोलली आहे ना आता, माईकची सोय आहे का सगळं विचारल्यावरही मी बोलले एकटी. सो आपण आता बोलूयात. आपल्याला गप्पा मारायच्या आहेत. कोणाला जर माझ्याशी काही बोलायचं असेल, गप्पा मारायच्या असतील, 1-5 मिनिटं बोलू शकतो आपण, काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही आहे, है ना सर? माईक देता येईल? बोलायचं आहे कोणाला? हो हो की नाही? आत्ता माईक नाही आहे त्यामुळे मोठ्याने सांगायला लागेल. हो आपण बोलू ना. बाकी सगळे काका काकू ताई दादा, वा वा आहेत लोक रेडी आहेत. द्या दादा बघा, त्यांना माईक काढायला जरा घाई करायला लागेल ना जर तुम्ही हो म्हणाले तर. आले दादा पटकन माईक घेऊन. दादा तिकडे थोडं पुढे येता का प्लीज? सुरुवातीचं जे स्वागत गीत होतं किती छान होतं ते स्वागत गीत, मस्त. मला फक्त असं वाटलं की हिंदी इंग्लिश झालं, मराठी पण एखादं घेतलं असतं तर छान वाटलं असतं. हो का? तिन्ही लँग्वेजेस झाल्या असत्या. वाव मस्त. पण जी स्वतःच्या भाषेला सोडून इतर भाषांवरची पण जी कमांड आहे ती खूप छान आहे मुलांची. स्तुती, तुझी किती स्तुती करायची, किती छान बोललीस तू मघाशी. आणि मला जर्मन भाषेमधलं पसायदान मिळालंय आज. या निमित्ताने बहुतेक मी जर्मन शिकेन, कारण मला ते वाचता आलं पाहिजे, नक्की काय बरोबर लिहिलंय का हे तरी सांगता आलं पाहिजे नाही का. ज्या टीचरने लिहिलंय त्यांनी थँक्यू सो मच. मला इतकं छान, मला असं वाटतं माझ्या लँग्वेजवर एक चांगली कमांड येण्यासाठी मला जर्मनमधलं दिलं, त्यासाठी थँक्यू. ओके हाय, सॉरी.
हॅलो. ॲक्च्युली मगाशी इंट्रोडक्शन देताना मॅम बोलले की तुम्ही संगीत विषयात.
अरे बापरे, मी उगाच सांगितलंय का माहीत द्या. आता मला असं वाटतंय.
आय वुड लाईक टू से समथिंग क्लासिकल लिटिल.
अरे बापरे सर, मला आधी सांगायचं होतं सर, मी तयारी रियाज वगैरे करून आले असते. मराठी ना? मराठी. मला एखादं गाणं तूच सांग ना ग प्लीज. हा, मला येईल की नाही तोही प्रश्नच आहे. कोणतं आहे पण? ओ वाव, हे श्यामसुंदर माहितीये सगळ्यांना गाणं? माहितीये ना? हे गाणं माझ्या कॉलेजच्या एका कॉम्पिटिशनमध्ये मी गायले होते. वाव, थँक्यू. बापरे, सगळ्या टीचर्स समोर गाते म्हटल्यावर अजून भीती वाटली होती. हे श्याम सुंदरा राजसा मनमोहना हिरवणी सांगते तुझ जाऊ दे मला परतुनी. हे श्याम सुंदरा. थँक्यू सर, थँक्यू. बापरे, शाळेच्या स्टेजवर गाणं म्हणायची खूप वर्षांनी संधी मिळाली. थँक्यू सो मच ताई. अजून कोणी बोलणार? हाय. हां, तिला.
हाय,
हाय, तुझं नाव सांग ना प्लीज.
प्रांजल वैभव तडवी.
हाय प्रांजल, बोल.
आम्ही तुमची सिरियल रोज बघतो.
तू बघतेस?
हो,
तू आत्ता बघते की आधी बघितली होती?
आधी बघितली होती.
आठवते तुला ती सिरियल?
हो,
मी कशी दिसायचं सांग बरं. नाही आठवत. नाही आठवत आहे तुला. तू आत्ता बघतीये सिरियल? मग आवडते तुला?
पाहिली होती.
मग तुला आत्ता आवडतीये?
हो.
कोण आवडतंय जास्त?
तुम्ही.
गुड. पाठ करून आली आहे मागून? खरं सांग.
नाही.
थँक्यू.
Welcome.
अजून 2 जणांशी बोलते मी अजून. मला काही हाय ये. नको, तिला नाही बोलायचंय. आजी नाही म्हणते. आजी तुम्ही बोलताय? आजी म्हणते नको अगं, तुला नाही जमणार. नाही. अजून कोणी इकडे? ओके, हॅलो, हाय. चांगलं आहे, छान. बरं झालं, शाळेत आल्यावर लहान मुलांशीच बोलतेय मी. ताई दादांना कोणालाच बोलायचं नाहीये माझ्याशी. अच्छा, वर येतोय का हा? हिला पण बोलायचंय ती. तू पण ये. ए वाव, तुझं स्वेटर किती छान आहे रे. मेरी क्रिसमस. ये इकडे. तुझं नाव काय आहे? अबीर. बोल.
मी तुमची सिरियल बघितली आहे.
अरे बापरे, मला आता भीती वाटली. तू कधी बघितलीस?
या वर्षी.
या वर्षी 2025 मध्ये. मग कधी बघितलीस अबीर?
जेव्हा मी पाषाणला होतो ना तेव्हा.
बरं, मग तू पाषाणमध्ये पूर्ण सिरियल बघितली?
नाही,
मग
पाषाणवरून घरी आल्यावरती.
अच्छा. बरं, मग तुला मी आवडले का त्याच्यात?
हो.
मी कशी आहे? ओरडत होते मी जोरजोरात की गणपतीचा लाड केलाय? तू काय बघितलंस? अबीरला काय आठवत नाहीये.
शिवलिंग बनवताना बघितलं.
ओ वाव, शाबास. खरंच बघितली अबीरने सिरियल. शाबास. थँक्यू अबीर. थँक्यू.
वेलकम.
हो का? मग तू फक्त अबीर सांगितलं, मला हंडे नाही सांगितलं. थँक्यू.
वेलकम.
लागलं माईक. हॅलो, माझ्याशी बोलतेस ना? इकडे बघ ना माझ्याकडे. नाव सांग तुझं.
देवश्री अभिजित शुक्रे.
बघ अबीर, पूर्ण नाव सांगितलंय. छान. बरं, आता बोल. तू बघितली सिरियल?
हा.
कधी? हे छोटे मुलं सिरियल बघितलेले म्हणतात. बघा, आणि आई बाबा बघा, कोणीच मला काही सांगत नाहीये.
मी घरी येताना.
अरे तू पण अबीरसोबत पाषाणला गेली होतीस का?
नाही.
खरं सांग.
नाही.
बरं, मग
टीव्ही मधनं बघाली.
मग काय बघितलंस तू?
मी बघितलं
हा.
तू.
थँक्यू. छान. आठवतंय तुला, बघितलीस तू. गुड. शाबास. जा आता खाली जाऊस. अरे बापरे, हा पण आहे. बरं, आता शेवटचं बोलते. जसे सगळे थांबले असतील ना मुलं. हाय. नाव? तुझं नाव सांग. माझं नाव सुरभी. तुझं नाव? थोडंसं लांब.
आदित्य विजय इंगोले.
आदित्य, बोल. काय म्हणतोस?
तुम्ही माझ्यासोबत एक गाणं बोलणार का?
हो. कोणतं गाणं? गाणं म्हणायचं असतं, बोलायचं नसतं.
अच्युतम केशवम.
वाव, म्हणू. चल, तू म्हण, मला शिकव. मी तुझ्या मागे म्हणते. हा.
अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम कौन कहते हे भगवान आते नहीं, कौन कहते हे भगवान आते नहीं.
पुढचं मला येतं. अबीर, सेम पिंच. आपण सेम आहोत. मलाही नाही येत पुढचं. थँक्यू. जा. किती गोड गायलास तू. ओके, छान वाटलं शाळेत येऊन मुलांसारखं झालं. अच्छा, मला वाटतं मला सांगतात. ठीक आहे, थँक्यू. आता मला वाटतं सगळ्यांना वाट असेल पुढचे परफॉर्मन्सेस सगळ्या मुलांचे. मुलांशी गप्पा मारून छान वाटलं आणि तुम्हा सगळ्यांना भेटून छान वाटलं. थँक्स.
Thank you, madam. As it is an extremely pleasant and happy moment for all of us, I would like to mention, to organize and conduct any event successfully is a team effort. No one can whistle a symphony, it takes a whole orchestra to play it. Coming together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, and working together is success. And that is what we call as teamwork. Let's mark the end of the formal function with a vote of thanks and appreciate the efforts of all those who made this evening a grand success. I request the supervisor of the pre-primary and primary section, Mrs. Komal Kulkarni madam, to propose the vote of thanks. Please, madam.
Only the Muktangan stage cherishes gratitude, memories and appreciates everyone for their efforts. A very good evening to one and all present here. I feel privileged to propose vote of thanks on this annual social gathering of primary section. On behalf of Muktangan English School and Junior College, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed chief guest, Ms. Surabhi Hande, for sparing her valuable time to award our students and inspiring us with interactive session. Madam, surely we will remember our childhood memories, and I also thank Surabhi madam for her melodious song on the spot, which was the demand of our parents. Madam, you must have enjoyed the innocence love of our students. I hope you must have not experienced this before this experience. We take this opportunity to express our sincere gratitude to all the respected directors of Pune Vidyarthi Graha for honoring today's function with their presence and for their constant support. Thank you, everyone. We would like to express our sincere gratitude to our principal, Mrs. Rekha Bali, for her meticulous guidance and constant motivation. Thank you, madam. We would also like to express our sincere gratitude to Mrs. Supriya Deshkulkarni Madam, Principal of Secondary and Higher Secondary Section, for gracing today's function. Thank you, Madam. We would like to express our thanks to the supervisors and in-charge teacher representative of all sections of Muktangan School for their valuable guidance. We also extend our wholehearted gratitude to all the donors and well-wishers who have always given their patronage and good wishes for our institution's progress. Thank you all the donors and well-wishers. We offer our sincere thanks to all the parents present in the auditorium and those joining us through live streaming for their unwavering cooperation towards achieving greater goals. Thank you, parents. It's our pleasure to thank all the participants for their tireless efforts in presenting amazing performances. And also we would like to thank all the junior students today who interacted with Ms. Surabhi Hande Madam. A heartfelt appreciation to the student volunteers for their committed involvement. Muktangan has always been fortunate to be backed by a team of proactive and dedicated staff. We extend our sincere gratitude to all the teaching faculty, music, dance, art and craft teachers for their tireless efforts in making event a mesmerizing one. A big thank to all the non-teaching staff, kakas, maushis and housekeeping staff of Muktangan for their timely help and assistance. I once again thank everyone for making this event a memorable one. Thank you.
With this, we come to an end of the formal part of today's function. I am sure you all are anxiously waiting for the cultural program. It is a great honor that you all have bestowed upon us by honoring our invitation and coming here this evening to encourage and acclaim our performers. As the program will unfold, let us extend our wholehearted support to every participant as we set to enjoy a series of captivating performances. We will be back shortly to present before you the fun-filled variety entertainment program. Thank you.